Okay guys, everything is primed. So right now, the primer is still tacky. I need to spray rocker guard in the bumper, everything. We're gonna texture the bumper. And this grill, what do you call this? Cowling the grill. How do you call this? We're gonna paint this glossy black. So we don't want to texture this one. I'm gonna paint that glossy black. And same thing as the side mirror. I'm gonna paint that glossy black. And the emblem, I'm gonna paint it with something like a different color, maybe white. I'm gonna paint that after. So everything is primed. So right now it's good to put this gravity guard on the bumper while the primer is still tacky there, not totally dried, so that it will make a good addition. So I don't want to sand it after. You can do that with what you need to wait like an hour, sand it. But it doesn't really matter because this is textured. So it's gonna texture right away. So that save some time. And this one adhesion properly and gonna be looks rugged and tough. So let's gonna spray it with the rocker gun right now. Well guys, after spraying the rocker guard, after the rocker guard will dry, you're gonna top coat it with the base coat. Make sure to top coat the base coat so that it will cover the rocker guard and also the like if you missed some bare metal, but this one should be fine because I prime it. So just in case you didn't prime it and you only top coat with the rocker guard, make sure you top coat it with the base black or any kind of compatible paint after. And that way it will not gonna rust in the future. So let's finish this thing. So it's tiring guys, hard to press in the nipple. I like to use the shots gun instead of this. But this one is more finer, it's good on bumper. This can takes longer than the cans. So this one takes 4 to 6 hours to dry before you're gonna top coat it with the paint. And the cans it takes only 1 hour, you can top coat it. So if you want a quick paint job or you need to top coat it right away, use the can shots gun. So this one takes a few hours. Good job. We're gonna top coat that after 4 hours with a base black, and we're gonna clear it so it really look textured and shiny. Okay. All right, guys. Right here, I'm doing my rear bumper too. So this rear bumper is from 1500, and this is the original bumper from 2500. So they are very identical bumper, but the only difference is the bracket here is slightly different. As you can see, this bracket I show you here. This bracket, this is from the 1500. Look at this bracket here. So this one is there's a little curve here, but the 2500 is straight. So when you put the I thought they are the same, but when you put this bumper on, it won't fit to the frame or chassis because the holes, when I put this 1500 one, it won't gonna fit to the bracket there. They're slightly different. So what I did is I put the original here from the 2500 bracket. I put it on. I took this one. This is from the 1500. So I put the 2500 one to make sure that when I put this bumper on the truck, this will gonna fit. So there's another one here is busted out, so I weld the end here so that I don't need to find another, just a bracket to find it in the auto wreckage. So what I did is I just weld this end because this bracket for the 2500 is busted here. See, from the rear end, and this thing, you know, teared up, what do you call it, broken. So I welded it together. So right now it looks good, and I painted it with the anti-rust direct to metal or direct to rust paint before I'm gonna assemble it. So everything is to be painted, so it helps to the rust to not gonna rust it out through. So this thing is ready to put in. I put the bolt on and assemble it there, and ready to put this on the truck once I'm done painting. So, but I painted the inside first, and I'm gonna rocker guard the outside portion, but I leave it like that because I'm not done assembling the bracket. So finish it first and gonna do it together, paint it, and top coated with a base, including this thing, the one that I rocker guard already, and top coated with base coat black, and clear it after once in the vehicle. Right on, that's all. And I'm gonna continue working that, and this truck's gonna be ready for painting soon. I'm gonna assemble this the front end, the grills, the bumper, the front bumper. Looks really nice after. Okay, I'll show you that after once I'm done putting together the front bumper and the grills, and make sure it fit in the vehicle. Right on, guys.